Good morning, everyone. We are about to cross the Hoover Dam. As you can see, it's really busy. There's a lot of people. And there's part of the dam. Right now we are on the Nevada side. And once we get into the middle, we'll be on the Arizona side. So there is the new bridge they built back there that's so pretty, which you can do a walk through. You can walk over it. They have a skywalk. And of course you can walk the dam here. And we are almost to the middle of the dam. There's the view. And here is the view here of Lake Mead. You can see the water line and how low it is. The drive in front and back out. And we're over Hoover Dam, or on Hoover Dam. Really pretty drive. The drive through here was absolutely beautiful, winding through the mountains. And there's that. And now we are officially in Arizona time. And there's a look back at the dam. The bridge. There we go. Better view of the bridge. It's beautiful. And then the dam. And that is the drive across the dam. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Keep on rolling with the rollers.